Alright, so today we're going to work on this 69 Mustang coupe, previously restored by my brother-in-law. And sorry about the fan, I'm in central western Florida and it's 9 million degrees. So I'm going to jack her up, get her on stands, and I'll be back. So, sweaty, hot and humid out there. Alright, today's adventure is going to be bolt-on frame connectors, frame ties, whatever you want to call them. I'm not welding them in, ain't got to take that risk. Bolt-ons will be just as good if at some point I decide to have them welded in. I can do that. So, car's in the air. Of course, every time you get under a car, you find more stuff to look at, but we'll ignore that for right now. I'll get back to you in a few. Time to get serious. Had to put on safety glasses, or my wife will kill me. I got to bust out with the cutoff wheel, and if that don't work, the death wheel. So, wish me luck. Okay, so things have gotten serious. Cutoff wheel, not working, won't fit. So, we have decided to switch to the death wheel. And by we, I mean me and all 55 of my personalities. Because we have to cut off this. Let's see. Flashlight maybe? Yeah. See that little angle? Going on both sides. See that pipe hanging in front of you? Fuel line. I have pulled that loose from the car and scooted it out of the way so that it will not get hit by said death wheel. Wish me luck. One side down, one side to go as far as the cutting part goes. Lord knows I have not done the installation yet, but we'll be back with that. Day 2 of the frame connector install, or the battle as I'm going to refer to it. It is only 8 million degrees because it's still morning time. What I would rather be doing is riding this or that, but I have to work on this still. Okay, so the short answer is they're in. The long answer is that particular stabilizer nut, or the bolt, is there, but the capture nut inside the frame is gone. So, we will be welding that in, and by we, I mean somebody else, because I don't weld anymore. Alright, next problem.